Welcome to Tampa, Florida, and the 2025 Lowrider Super Show, brought to you by Racers and Rods Media and Events. Enjoy the show.
Hey, Jim here again from Racers and Rods Media and Events. Hey, we're here in Tampa, Florida today. We're in the Fairgrounds building for Tampa Lowrider Super Show 2025. It's move-in day. A lot of the cars are in here. Still got cars rolling in. Everything's set up. So we got the video out. We're shooting photos today, me and Chuck. So you can see we got a bunch of completely badass lowriders here. You're gonna see a very cool video. We've got the top contest coming too, so don't miss that. That's tomorrow. We're uploading a bunch of photos on our Facebook site, Racers and Rods Media and Events. Check us out. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. You're gonna see some badass cars here today. That's cool.
It's a hog, right?
Yeah, man.
Bring it on, good time. Hey, I said a good times. We gonna get it on and on. The time is here now, so come with me. Hey, throw your hand in the air right now. Gonna have a real good time. Gonna make this day go fine. And I know you work too hard, so come and join me, shine on. Shine on. We got the love one. Is how we stand. Yo, yo. Let's make this a real thing. Everybody knows. We are gonna party on. With a heart and a mind as one. We're gonna start it up. With a fire that burn in the sun. Gotta get it on. Feel the flow from the big to the sky. Yo, yo. Let's make this a real thing. These are the good times. The good times. These are the good times. Let's make this a real thing. Rock up on the wine right now. Rock up on the wine. Rock up on the wine, let's go right now. Rock up. Let's go wine. Rock up on the wine right now. Shine on. Put 'em up. Yeah, we are. Well, everybody knows. Turn it up. We are gonna party, yeah. Hey, with a heart and a mind as one. Hey, we're gonna start it up. With a fire that burn like the sun. Hey, gotta get it on. Feel the flow from the peak to the sky. Hey, let's make this a real thing. These are the good times. The good times. The good times. These are the good times. These are the real good times. Let's make this a real thing. These are the good times. The good times. These are the good times. Let's make this a real thing. Rock up on the wine right now. Rock up on the wine. Rock up on the wine right now. Rock up. What's on the go wine? Rock up on the wine right now. Six.
Lowrider Super Show 2025 here in Tampa, Florida. Hey, I want to show you one of my absolute favorite cars, and I can't tell you why. I usually don't like green, but I've seen this guy Eddie from Dukes in Miami. Shout out to him. I've seen him at a number of shows. I saw him last year here in the 2024 Lowrider show. I've seen him in a couple other ones. So anyway, he's from Miami, and this is a 1940 Oldsmobile convertible. And I don't know what it is, and like I said, I'm not really a green guy, I'm a red guy, but This thing is just one of my favorites. Whether it's the body style, the color, the interior, this is the total package. This car is completely badass. So it's here. You need to come check it out at Lowrider 2025.
Change my lifestyle, let's go the full mile in what I believe is true. When you want my mind, I know it's a sign. Firm in belief in love. Sexy lady, you drive me crazy. You're my baby. Sexy lady, you drive me crazy. How could you mistake this feeling? There's no room to fall in love. Won't make a mistake, I'm letting you go. Firm in belief in love. Sexy lady, you drive me crazy. You're my baby. Sexy lady, you drive me crazy.
We are rolling on Car Club, and you are watching Racers and Rods.
She get a little touch, me become the right one. She tell you I'm man, not the wickedest slam. Not just in England, but in every